In this video, we're going to be solving exercise 5 of Pitman Shorthand. Alright, so we can see these characters here, and now we can also see the vowels also on the characters. Alright, so if you don't know what are vowels, if you're not familiar with the vowels places, if you don't know how vowels actually work in Pitman Shorthand, then I would just highly recommend you that you watch the vowels video of the Pitman Shorthand course. I have given the link in the description so you can just easily check it out. Alright, so let's move on. Alright, so if on the first line we see that we have a heavy dot on all the characters, and if you notice here that on the first line all the characters are above the line, so we get a vowel here sounded as ah, as in pa. Alright, so it sounded as ah as in pa. So if we look at this character, first we have this p character, then we have this ah vowel. Alright, so we will simply add these two, so we get a word called pa. So we simply write pa like this. Right, next we have this p, then a, then we have this m. So if we add p, a and m together, we get a word called palm. So we simply write palm like this. Right, next we have this first b, then a, then we have m. So b, a, m is balm. So simply write balm. Next, first we have f, then we have a vowel, then we have this r, then we have this m. So if we add f, a, r and m together, we get a word called farm. So we simply write farm. Alright, next we have ish, and then we have this vowel a. So ish and I is sha, so sha. Alright, we're done with the first line. Let's move to the second line. Okay, so on the second line we again have a heavy dot on all the characters, and if you notice here, all the characters on the second line are on the line. So we get a vowel sounded as a, as in may. So first we have this p, then we have this a vowel. So p and a is simply pay, so we will write pay like this. Next one we have p, then a, then we have this d. So p and a and d, if we add all these, we get a word called paid. So paid. Alright, next p, a, then l, so it's pale. So pale. Then we have this b, then a, then l, so bail. So write bail simply like this. Then we have this b again, then again we have this a vowel, and now we have this k. Alright, so it's b, a and k, so bake. Okay, we're done with the second line. Let's move to the third line. Alright, so if in the third line we again have a heavy dot on all the characters, and if you notice here, all the characters on the third line are below the line, so we get a vowel here sounded as e, as in we. Alright, so first we have this b character, then we have this e vowel. Okay, e sound, so v, so b and e is b, so we simply write b like this. Alright, next we have t and e, so it's t. Next we have d and e, so d plus e is d, so d. Then we have this j and then e, so j and e, if we add j and e together, we get a word called g, so it's g like this. Then we have this f, then e, so it's fee. Alright, now we're done with the third line. Let's move to the fourth line. Alright, so now we have a heavy dash on all the characters, and if you notice, we have all the characters on the fourth line are above the line, so we get a vowel here sounded as aw, as in all. So first we have this p, then we have this aw vowel, so p and aw is simply paw, so we write paw like this. Next we have this p, then aw, then L, so P and O and L is Paul, so Paul. Alright, next T O L, so it's tall. Next we have J O K, so it's chalk. Next we have this ith, then O, then D, so it's thawed. Alright, we're done with the fourth line. Let's move to the fifth line now. Alright, so on the fifth line we again have a heavy dash on all the characters, and if you notice here, all the characters on the fifth line are on the line, so we get a vowel here sounded as O, as in go. So first we have this D, then we have this O vowel, so it's simply do. So we get a word do, and we will write it like this. Then we have this again, this D, then again O, and now we have this R, so it's door. Now we have this D, then O, then it's M, so it's dome. Now we have this ish, and then O, then it's R, so it's shore. Then we have this B, O, R, so it's bore. Alright, we're done with the fifth line. Let's move to the sixth line. So again we have this heavy dash on all the characters, and if you notice here, all the characters on the sixth line are below the line, so we get a vowel here sounded as oo, as in two. So first we have this character known as J, then we have this oo vowel, so it's simply chew, so we write chew like this. Then we have this ish, then oo, so ish plus oo, shoe, so shoe. Then we have L, then oo, so it's loo, so we'll write loo like this. Then we have this R, then oo, so it's roo, so roo. Alright, so finally we have this way and this oo, so it's woo, so we will simply write woo like this. Alright, so that was all about it. I'll see you in the next video.